friends, welcome to my channel Sweet and Happy Life. Today's video is going to be all about how to write a story. Let's get started. This is a story map of the story The Wizard of Oz. The story should have a title, the author if any, characters, settings, beginning, middle, and end. This is an example of a story. The title of the story is The Wizard of Oz by Frank Baumel. Characters: Dorothy, Wizard of Oz, Tin Man, Lion, Scarecrow. Setting: Kansas, Emerald City. Here comes the story. Beginning. The Wonderful Wizard of Oz is a children's novel. The story is about the adventures of a girl named Dorothy. She lives in a farmhouse in Kansas with her uncle, aunt, and dog Toto. A cyclone occurs and carries Dorothy and her dog in the house to the land of Oz. The middle of the story can be a paragraph or many more paragraphs. The house, along with Dorothy and her dog, land on the Wicked Witch of the East. The Good Witch of the North gives Dorothy the silver shoes and tells her to go to the Emerald City and seek the help of the Wizard of Oz. She meets three friends: the Scarecrow, who wants a brain, the Tin Man, who wants a heart, and the Lion, who wants courage. As friends, they travel to Emerald City to meet the Wizard of Oz. Here comes the end, which is the climax of the story. They meet the Wizard of Oz, who gives them a task to kill the Wicked Witch of the West. The four friends and the dog, Toto, kill the witch in spite of all the hurdles. At last, the wizard grants their wishes in a humorous manner. Now this is how you write a story. Title, author, characters, settings, beginning, middle, and end. I hope you all enjoyed and learned through my video. I will be coming up with more concepts ahead. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel Sweet and Happy Life. Thank you.